Welcome to the GemIQ community, trusted by over 20,000 jewelers worldwide to capture, showcase, and sell their jewelry. Meet GemLightbox Max, the world's most awarded jewelry photography system. In this video, you'll learn how to set it up for first-time use, get familiar with its key accessories and attachments, and start capturing professional photos, videos, and 360-degree content designed to help you showcase and sell with confidence. Before we set up your first capture, let's take a look at the different accessories and attachments and when to use them. GemLightbox Max features two turntables designed for different jewelry setups. The bottom turntable is ideal for flat and structured pieces, such as rings and bracelets, as well as larger pieces displayed on the Black Mannequin. The top turntable is designed for hanging pieces, such as earrings, pendants, necklaces, and watches. The jewelry holders attach magnetically, making it easy to switch your setup depending on the piece you're capturing. For necklaces and pendants, use the necklace and pendant holder. Place your jewelry onto the holder and adjust the chain until the piece hangs straight and centered. Then attach the holder magnetically to the turntable. For earrings, use the earring holder. Secure each piece onto the holder, position the earrings evenly, and make sure both are facing forward. Then attach the holder magnetically to the turntable. For watches, use the watch holder. Open the watch strap and place it around the holder with the watch face positioned at the front. Secure the strap, adjust the watch until the face sits straight and centered, then attach the holder magnetically to the turntable. For rings and smaller jewelry pieces, use the GemClip to securely hold and position your jewelry. Place the piece into the GemClip, adjust it to your preferred angle, then attach the GemClip magnetically. For rings, you can also place the piece directly onto the bottom turntable for a clean, shadowless effect. For larger necklaces and jewelry sets, use the Black Mannequin. Place the jewelry around the mannequin and carefully arrange the chain and centerpiece. At the back of the mannequin, use the adjustable fastening strap to secure the chain and keep the necklace firmly in place during capture. Once secure, position the mannequin on the bottom turntable and center the jewelry towards the camera. If you're capturing with GemCam Pro, use DetailMaster for greater precision. It helps position smaller pieces for detailed close-up photos and videos, making it ideal for loose gemstones, rings, engravings, and other fine jewelry details. GemLightbox Max also comes with two additional magnetic lights, White Sparkle and Yellow Sparkle. White Sparkle is your go-to neutral light at 5500 Kelvin, designed to bring out the natural sparkle of diamonds and gemstones while keeping the appearance of the stone natural. This is the light you'll use around 90% of the time for diamonds and gemstones. Yellow Sparkle sits at 3500 Kelvin and mimics a warmer, natural sunlight environment. It works especially well with rubies, emeralds, sapphires, and other colored gemstones to help bring out their true color. To use either light, simply attach it magnetically to one of the two magnetic panels inside your GemLightbox Max. Once attached, the light automatically switches on. For softer and more even illumination, use the LumiPanels. Attach them magnetically and position them around your jewelry to soften harsh reflections and create more balanced lighting across the entire piece. They're particularly useful when capturing larger jewelry pieces and sets. For a more striking, high-contrast look on reflective jewelry, use the Eclipse. Attach the Eclipse inside your GemLightbox Max to introduce controlled shadow and contrast. This helps define the shape and depth of reflective gold and silver pieces while reducing unwanted reflections. Now that you're familiar with the accessories and attachments, Let's set up your GemLightbox Max for your first capture. Start by connecting the power cable to the port at the back of your GemLightbox Max. You'll also find the turntable controls. The Center app Bluetooth control connects your GemLightbox Max to the GemIQ app, while the slow to fast slider lets you manually adjust the turntable's rotation speed. Then press the power button located on top. The lights inside will turn on, confirming that your GemLightbox Max is powered on and ready to use. Next, open the GemIQ app on your desktop or mobile device and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. GemIQ software is available on macOS, Windows, the App Store, and Google Play. Once you're logged in, connect the camera, then choose Capture. Once paired, GemIQ will confirm that your GemLightbox Max is connected and ready to capture. GemLightbox Max gives you two shooting angles depending on how you want to showcase your jewelry. The front shooting angle is your main shooting position for capturing your jewelry straight on. For a different perspective, use the top shooting angle to capture your jewelry from above and get a clearer view of the entire piece. Simply lift the GemIQ logo top cover to reveal the top shooting opening and position your camera above it. Remember to push the cover back into place after usage. If you're capturing with a smartphone, open the phone stand and position it in front of your GemLightbox Max. Secure your smartphone in the holder, then adjust the height and shooting angle until your jewelry is centered in the camera. The ideal distance can vary between phone models, since each camera is slightly different. If you're using GemCam Pro, capture is simple and point and shoot with 100% autofocus. Once your camera is positioned, you're ready to set up your first piece. For your first capture, choose the holder or accessory that best suits your jewelry. Then add any lighting accessories you need to achieve your preferred look. Once your shot is ready, return to the GemIQ app. Tap Capture. GemLightbox Max automatically controls the capture process to create consistent, professional jewelry photos and 360-degree videos. Once complete, your captures are saved directly within GemIQ app, giving you one place to review, organize, and manage your jewelry content. For a deeper walkthrough of GemIQ software and features, such as AI-generated descriptions, branded collections, Shopify integration, and more, watch our dedicated GemIQ software tutorial. And if you're using GemCam Pro with your GemLightbox Max, watch our dedicated GemCam Pro tutorial for camera setup and capture. Your GemLightbox Max is ready. Set up your piece, tap Capture, and create professional jewelry content in one connected GemIQ workflow. Need more help? Contact our team at support@gemiq.com. GemLightbox Max, the most powerful jewelry lightbox ever built.